Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Transform Tube. This is me Arnab, and we are at Unit 6 of ANC 1 Nutrition for the Community IGNU, and we are looking at planning balanced diets. That's Unit 6. Okay, so uh, what is the we are just going to look at what is the concept of a balanced diet, planning a balanced diet, use of food groups in planning balanced diets, use of recommended dietary intakes in planning balanced diets, guidelines for planning balanced diets. Okay, so what is basically a balanced diet? What is the concept of a balanced diet? A balanced diet can be defined as one which contains different types of food in such quantities and proportions that the need for calories, minerals, vitamins, and other nutrients is adequately met, and a small provision is made for extra nutrients to withstand short durations of leanness. Okay, so this is basically the definition of balanced diet, and this is the diagram which goes along with it. So basically, what does this mean? This concept of a balanced diet, defined as one which contains different types of food in such quantities, okay, in such the required quantities and proportions that amount that the need for calories, minerals, vitamins, and other nutrients which is required for the body is adequately met, and a small provision extra it is in store is made for extra nutrients to withstand short duration of leanness. Where we suppose we are not getting the proper diet, suppose during our hectic schedule we are not getting our proper nutrient content, so that some extra storage of nutrients is there in the body to replenish that. If you look at the definition, actually you would realize balanced diet consists of different type of food items, meets needs for nutrients, provides for period of leanness when diet may possibly not supply adequate amount of nutrients. Let's talk about this aspects. Balanced diet consists of different types of food items, okay, variety of foods. How do we select foods? Major aim is to ensure all nutrients are supplied. Okay, this is the major aim, to ensure all nutrients are supplied, including items from which a food group ensures all nutrients will be supplied. A balanced diet meets nutrient needs. How much should I consume to food to meet his need? This would be based on recommended dietary intake. This is very important. RDI, recommended dietary intake, and is down for individuals, laid down for individuals for diet is planned. You will study more about RDI in this section. Balanced diets provide for period of leanness. Now sometimes a normal individual consumes variety of foods, given day we not consume feed amount he requires. For that day we need some excess nutrients. Planning balanced diets. So okay, use of food groups. Selection of the right kind of food, say, the inclusion suitable amount of this food. Use of food groups in planning balanced diets. Okay, classification based on sources. Simplest and most obvious classification is based on interrelatedness of certain food items of similar sources: cereal, millet, pulses, nuts, green leafy vegetable, root vegetable, other vegetable, fruits, milk and milk products, figs, etc. Okay, nutrients supplied by different food groups. These food groups and the nutrients supplied is mentioned over here. Okay, then classification of food based on function. First classification studied is based on source. Difficult to day life for planning diets, so many groups. So group 1, energy giving foods, group 2, bodybuilding foods, group 3, protective regulatory foods. 3 main classification we can make. Carbohydrate energy giving food, 3 types of food. Carbohydrate rich foods A, cereals, roots and tubers. Carbohydrate rich foods, sugar, jaggery, fat rich foods. This is the fat and oils. Okay, primary nutrients provided by this food are C, carbohydrate, fat. Bodybuilding group, okay, this bodybuilding group includes rich in protein, milk and milk product, meat, fish, eggs, pulses, nuts and oil seeds. Okay, fruits in the protective regulatory category include fruits, yellow and orange fruits, citrus fruits, others, bananas, etc. Okay, this is mainly 3 types of things: Here we see protective regulatory fruits, papaya, mango, tomato, vegetables, all this. Here we see bodybuilding foods, milk, fish, chicken, eggs, pulses, nuts, all these things. Here energy giving foods. Energy giving foods are roots and tubes, sugar, cereals, oil. Okay, these are vegetables, green leafy vegetables, yellow, others. Okay, alternative. Acha. Food group energy giving, rice, fat, alternative wheat, fat, sugar, potato. Bodybuilding, rajma is a very good for bodybuilding, green, gram, milk. Protective regulatory food, onion, beans, tomato. Alternative, carrot, onion, tomato. Okay. Name of food groups. Food selected, energy giving, uh, rice, fat, potato, idlis. Okay, menu, ingredients. What are the menus? Something like this. Heavy breakfast for bodybuilding, urad dal, protective, lady's finger, drumstick. Okay. This is mainly South Indian tiffin. Actually, it is mentioned. Consumed in the afternoon for heavy breakfast. RDI, recommended dietary intake. RDI. This is very important. Okay. This is very important. The recommended dietary intake is the amount of a nutrient to be actually consumed in order to meet the requirements of the body. Recommended dietary intake are hence based on requirements. Now, what do we mean by the term requirement? Requirement for a particular nutrient is the minimum amount that needs to be consumed to prevent symptoms of deficiency and to maintain satisfactory levels of nutrient in the body. Okay, this is very important. Okay. So, variation in requirement, the safe margin is a cover factor variation requirement from individual, periods of low intake, nature of diet, cooking losses. RDIs are set as high enough to meet the needs of all healthy people. RDIs do not apply to people who are suffering from disease which influences the nutrient needs. Recommended dietary intake for adult are based on sex, age, body size and activity levels. RDIs are expressed in kilocalories, grams, milligrams or micrograms. RDIs for energy of adult men and women depend on activity levels. RDIs for thiamine, riboflavin, niacin dependent on RDIs for energy. Protein based on body weight. RDIs for energy and protein are given as additional intake in pregnancy and in lactation. RDIs for energy, protein, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin are expressed per kg of body weight. RDI for vitamin A have been given in terms of retinol or alternatively in terms of beta carotene. Guidelines for planning a balanced diet, individual specific, you have to see region specific and income specific, however much that person can afford. So, what are the guidelines for a balanced diet? Identify the individual, his or her specific characteristics. Okay. Consult RDIs for energy and protein, however is required we will see, consult and give that much. Decide on total amount of specific groups. Okay. Cereal, fat, meal, what you will give. Decide on number of meals to be consumed. Meal frequency varies depending on income and convenience also. Distribute total amount decided between meals. The total amount of calories which are required, that has to be distributed between meals. Okay. Now decide on items and their amount with each group of each meal. Okay. Cook day's diet for inclusion of specific food groups for amount. Decide. Okay. So this is mainly we have covered. Now Unit 6. So totally we have covered 2 blocks, block 2 also completely. Thank you very much. Please do like, comment and subscribe in my channel and contact me on 700-387-9029 on WhatsApp for the complete course on ANC1 IGNOU. Thank you very much.